I turned $400 into $1,700 using BAC puts. So in this video, I'm going to be going over how I turned this BAC $34 put into $1,700 of pure profit. Now we're going to be going over and discussing a bunch of things, but before we get into all that, make sure that you guys join our Discord. We called out this exact same play, so you could have been doing this yourself as well in our Discord. You guys can join with the first link in the description, or you can also get signed up with Robinhood to start trading these as well with the second link in the description. You can do both of those at the same time. But either way, this is going to be the put in question. And yesterday when I made this play, I called this play out at about 22 cents. And you can see here, this is where I called it out at 8:30 a.m. Have the receipts right here. BAC $34 put, expiration 3/10, and it was sitting at about 22 cents. And I pinged everyone. We also had a QQQ put that did well, but that would be a whole separate video. But either way, this is what I called out yesterday very early in the morning, and we let it ride all the way to today, and we'll discuss, where I took profits and everything of that nature. But either way, yeah, it wasn't even going too good in the beginning. As you can see here, I bought 20 contracts for about $440 at 8:30 in the morning. Now this was after a big spike in price, and then I saw that the entire market was going to be on a downward trend. Now I have specific types of stocks that I like to trade when the market's on a downtrend. BAC just happens to be one of them. And I bought 20 contracts for $440. And as you can see, the price kind of just fluctuated a little bit down. To end the day, it was in the green, however. I didn't alert a sell on BAC because I saw a lot of potential for a big drop off in the morning, which is what we ended up seeing. And you can see here, we took our first profits at 6:30 a.m. So 1 minute after market open, we took our first profits at 77%. And you can see here that BAC, we were trading puts. That means we hope the stock goes down, and you can see here it went down a lot in the first couple of minutes of the morning. I sold my first 5 contracts for $85 profit. So to be clear, these 5 contracts, basically I made 77% on them, and that is extremely good in and of itself. However, I actually went back to sleep, and I waited about 2 more hours, and then I saw our first semblance of a green reversal, so I decided to sell another 5 contracts. Remember guys, I bought 20 contracts for $440. I sold 5 of them, so I sold a fourth. I sold another fourth for $305 profit, and that was at 8:17 for 277% in gains. And as you can see here, we bought it about 22 cents. Immediately in the morning, it was up a ton, and then obviously as we kept going, it was up at 83 cents, and then I saw we might be trending back down, so I sold. Again, I did this, and I waited another couple of hours. I went to the gym, waited it out, and then I decided to put my final sell order in for my final 10 contracts at 409% at about 11:30, and I sold 10 contracts for $900 profit. Now if we take all of these profits, 900 plus the 305 with the other and 85 with the other contracts, we have $1,290 of total profit. If you add in the $440, that is going to be another $1,700 at the end of it all. Started with 400, brought it to 1,700 or 1,300 in total profit. So that's how I did that with Bank of America puts, and I did it all within the span of about a day and a half. So if you guys are interested, you guys can join with the first link in the description, and you're going to be able to get these calls where we also able to call out a QQQ 226% gainer. So if you guys are interested in getting that type of call options, go ahead and buy and sell alerts. Go ahead and join with the first link in the description. But that's how I made $1,300. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, and also join the Discord, get signed up with Robinhood. I'll see you in the next video.